Hey, this is Swati. I'm here to give a feedback for Rainbow Kids Montessori and my son Nikhil. He is 4.5 years old and he's going to Rainbow Kids Montessori for past 7 to 8 months. And we see a lot of improvement in Nikhil in both motor skills and also speaking skills. He's speaking different new words. Um, Recently, Miss Kathy was doing a session related to geography, that is winter session. So my son, he told suddenly, "Ma, polar bear lives in Arctic or Antarctic Ocean." We bought one globe, and after looking at the globe, he told this one, and we felt really surprised by those words. And next day I inquired with Miss Kathy, and she was exploring the session with us, and we felt very happy that he is learning very good things in Rainbow Kids Montessori.
So, if you take academics for Nikhil, like he has improved a lot in recent times, really related to his motor skills, writing skills, and basically math in day-to-day life. He has started counting, a lot of items in day-to-day life, which I really surprised by seeing the way he started counting and all. So it is really a big improvement from past 8 months. Yeah. So if we talk about food, the food provided in Rainbow Kids Montessori is really nutritious, and my kid is really happy with the food, and he used to tell us about the very good food he had for the per day on that day. And it's USDA approved, and USDA, they're following USDA guidelines, so we can really trust the school and the teacher regarding the food. And yeah.
So Rainbow Kids Montessori is the school environment, and it is really safe for kids, and we can leave kids here and we can do our work happily. It's very trustable. I came to know about Rainbow Kids Montessori from one of my friends, and her son is studying in Rainbow Kids Montessori school, and he was more improved in his writing skill. So after hearing this improvement in writing skill, I was fixed with I need to put Nikhil in Rainbow Kids Montessori. As I got hope, and then Nikhil has proved it that now he is writing really good.
Four.
Yeah, so in Rainbow Kids Montessori School, Mount House, I see a lot of social gatherings happening, like events like for Christmas celebrations. Miss Kathy has arranged kind of social gathering where all the parents, everyone were able to come and see our kids' talents coming out. Like they performed for multiple dance and other drama competitions and all. Like all those activities makes us feel that we are really happy with the way the kids are progressing. So and they have a couple of talents like which is coming out during these celebrations. We are really happy about that. Yeah, so the regular feedbacks we get from Kathy on child's performances through WhatsApp, lot of videos and photos of the day's activities. Along with that, we can get the feedback while picking up the kid or dropping also in person. So that this makes us really happy about how the child is behaving in the classroom when we are out in some work, right? So at that time, how he is behaving, it's very informational. Thanks for that.
We highly recommend Rainbow Kids Montessori if you're looking for preschool in mountains. Thank you.